Ordered pair. Now ordered pair is a pair of elements written in specific order. So for example, if we have two elements denoted by A and B, then we simply write them into the brackets as A comma B. Okay. Now as the name suggests, it's an ordered pair, so the order matters here. So therefore we have the next line, that is the pair A comma B is not same as pair B comma A, simply because we have changed the order, so it's a different ordered pair, right? Now one important point, that is the round brackets which are shown here, they do not indicate the open interval as we have seen earlier in the definition of open and closed interval. So here it is simply a pair of two elements A and B, right? Now as an example, we are familiar with the x and y coordinate frame of axis, in which we denote any point by its x and y coordinates. So as an example, when I say point with coordinates 3, 2, it's not same as the point with coordinates 2, 3, isn't it? Because if we change the order of coordinates, it becomes a different point. So therefore x and y coordinates is one example of ordered pair that we use in coordinate geometry, right? Now let us move ahead and see one of a very important term, that is called as the Cartesian product of two sets. It is the set of all ordered pairs such that first element is from first set and second element is from second set. So the Cartesian product is defined basically for two sets, say A and B, and it is defined as the set of all the possible ordered pairs that we can form, such that first element should come from the first set only and the second element should come from the second set. And since we have the ordered pairs here, we can conclude that, as it's written in the next line, that the Cartesian product is not commutative, because if we write the different order of the elements in the ordered pairs, it becomes a different set. So therefore it is not commutative. Now the Cartesian product is denoted by the symbol A cross B. Okay, so if A and B are two sets, then A cross B indicates the Cartesian product. Okay, it's not the algebraic multiplication, but it is just a symbol for Cartesian product. Now let us solve one question based on this, so that this topic would be clear. If A is a set consisting of x and y and B is the set consisting of elements 1 and 2, then find the Cartesian products as mentioned here, right? So let's see the first one. We have to write the Cartesian product of A cross B, that is A and B. Now as per the definition, Cartesian product is the set of all the possible ordered pairs from A to B. So let's start with the first element of A. Say we have x as the first element of A. Now we have to pair it with all the possible ways of second element from second set. So I can have x comma 1 or I can have x comma 2, correct? Now we keep the first element as a y and we can vary the second element with 1 and 2. So these are the only four possible pairs that we can form. Now looking at it graphically will give another clue, that is, say set A and B are as shown here. Here it is x and y as the two elements of set A, and 1 and 2 are the elements of set B. So the Cartesian product is nothing but how many arrows you can connect from one element in set A and the other element in set B. So x comma 1 is one pair as shown here, then x comma 2 is another pair, right? Then y comma 1 is third and y comma 2 is the fourth. So here, since we have four arrows or the four connections, we have those four elements in the Cartesian product. Now just remember, here by element of the Cartesian product we mean the ordered pair. That is, an entire ordered pair is one element of the Cartesian product. Now based on this, now we can write down Cartesian product of B and A easily. Now here what will happen is just that two sets get reversed, that is B becomes the first set, A becomes the second set. So here we can write the pairs as 1 comma x, 1 comma y, 2 comma x and 2 comma y. Okay. So here also we can see that A cross B is not same as B cross A. That is what is meant by Cartesian product is not commutative. Right. Suppose we want to write A cross A. Now it is very well possible that both of the sets are identical in which we are doing the Cartesian product. So that means the first set is A as well as second set is A. And we have the elements as x comma y. So the ordered pairs possible would be xx, xy, then yx and yy. That is A cross A. And lastly, if you want to do B cross B, similar thing we apply on set B. Now here we have the elements 1 comma 2. So therefore the ordered pairs will be 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. Alright, so that is the required answer. Now just one small point here, that is, suppose we have two ordered pairs given to be equal. So that means if it is given that pair A comma B is equal to C comma D, alright, so then it implies that the corresponding first elements must be same and corresponding second elements also must be same. So that means A must be equal to C and B must be equal to D. Okay, so that is one important point that we have to remember.